Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with no makeup. I need my eyebrows done. Do not judge me, all right? I'm gonna be sharing what I do to exfoliate my skin. I'm acne prone, so I needed to find something that works for me, and I finally did, which I have been doing this for a while now. So I wanted to share it with you guys. Don't forget that what might work for me may not work for you, so I'm just sharing it. I feel like it is helpful because people with acne prone skin cannot exfoliate without like breaking the skin, irritating it, and causing breakouts. So this is a very sensitive yet very exfoliating way to exfoliate your skin. So if you want to see how I got this glowy, smooth, hydrated skin, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. I don't know if you can tell on camera, my face is super freaking dry right now. I use a retin-A at night for my acne. I'm not sure if anybody uses that, but it's so good. If you don't use it, you need to use it. It's anti-aging, anti-acne. It's the best thing ever. So get on it, even if you're not suffering from acne. But this makes my skin very dry, so I like to exfoliate at least once every 2 weeks. I do it every 2 weeks. I space it out just because I'm acne prone and I tend to break out after certain things. So I found that this works for me. I did this and it didn't break me out, so I'm super excited to share with you guys my exfoliating routine for acne prone skin. I'm just gonna get right into this. This is the Drops of Use, the Body Shop. This is the first step I do. This is to exfoliate my skin. So it's just liquid. It doesn't have any beads. Excuse me if I look to the right because my mirror is here. And look at this. I'm putting it on. It's no beads. It goes on as a serum. And look at all this dead skin, y'all. Look at all this dead skin. It's kind of gross but look at this. This is amazing. So this is my first step. I usually rinse it out after this, but since I'm recording this video, I'm gonna just take a makeup wipe. And I don't have any breakouts now. It's just pigmentation that I'm trying to get rid of. The pigmentation is super hard to get rid of, especially if you have cystic acne, just because it's very inflamed and it causes redness that just kind of takes forever to like go away. Guys, I'm sorry if you guys hear my dog barking. She is on one today. So I want to show you guys, just in case if you do want to exfoliate often, this is, or like before a quick makeup look, because sometimes you need to exfoliate before the 2 weeks. Well, I need to exfoliate before the 2 weeks because I like a smooth makeup application. So this is another face daily, is an extra gentle daily scrub. It's for all skin types. It's Cetaphil, fragrance free. The best thing ever for acne prone skin. The beads are very tiny, so you barely feel anything. I'm gonna also shave my face. This also exfoliates, and I'm gonna use this serum. I got it from Amazon. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. I use this often, so I just take that. I start off with the right cheek. Gonna bring this closer, y'all. I went in my mouth. And then I take my blade, I tug at my skin, and I go against the grain. And look at this. You see the hair there? I get my sideburns, you know. Look at that. I'm gonna change my battery from my light really quick because I feel like it's dying on me for some reason. All right, there we go. I fixed the lighting situation and the settings is much brighter in here. So yeah, let's just get into what we was doing. So I already did my right cheek, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the hyaluronic acid serum is very moisturizing, and it also helps glide easily with the blade. So I like to use it. Look at this, y'all. You see this? Incredible. And I go against the hair just because if you go up, it can cause irritation. Look at this, y'all. This is crazy. So now I'm gonna take more serum and put it on my forehead. And for this, I take my thing because I don't like to get close to my hairline, because you know, just in case. And then I just go down, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows a little bit because girl. And that is it, y'all. I'm gonna just go over my mustache. So this exfoliates your skin and it gets rid of all your peach fuzz. So if you want a smooth application, you better be doing this. Guys ain't the only one who need to shave their face, y'all. And then I'm gonna pluck. I like to pluck my eyebrows, which they are in serious need of doing. So usually I will wash my face again. I wouldn't wash my face, let me fix that. I will rinse my face. I don't like over washing my face, and you definitely shouldn't when you have acne prone skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just pass a toner, which I make my own toner. I probably should put it in a bottle and just like spray it, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this apple cider. Make sure it says with the mother, raw, unfiltered, and you're gonna make sure you shake that because it always like goes down to the bottom. And I usually have a little thing here, which I just take like a little bit in the cap, like that much, and I put it in here, and then I take some water and I'm gonna put a little more than the cap just to dilute it. So that's good. And then I'm gonna take a cotton pad, I'm gonna dip that in, squeeze it out. I'm gonna see. Open this back up. Excuse my nails, like I did it and I never took it off. And we are just gonna pass this over the whole face. So this also helps with acne. So especially being that I shaved, I wanna get this all over my skin. It helps exfoliate. It has great benefits for acne. So this is the only toner that I use. I use it about not so often because it can be a little harsh. So I use it like maybe twice a week. And then that's it. It stinks really bad, but I let it cool off. And then look at how much brighter and cleaner my face looks. Like this is amazing. Also, you never want to reuse these. Make sure you check them after. This is my Seeded Orchard Tropical Ease. I'm gonna use this. The best thing ever. It's natural, all you need is a little bit, like a very pea-sized amount, because you want to retain, you want to put the moisture back into your skin. So this is very hydrating. Look how shiny. So this is gonna make my skin nice and soft. And it's gonna feel so nice and smooth. I hold off my acne medications, my topicals, just to kind of let the face relax and not get like over irritated. So that is it. This is how my face looks. My face feels super soft, smooth, and best of all, hydrated. So I need to do my eyebrows now, so I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you do for your exfoliation, how often you exfoliate, and let me know if you try this. Like, you definitely need to try this. That like the best thing ever. I'll go ahead and link everything down below that I use, and thank you guys for watching.